So let me just quickly highlight one more name, which I think is interesting. And this is something which we will try and do, just something you should keep on your radar. And what we're doing today is, HPCL, the oil marketing pack, but HPCL in particular. So I want to put out a chart first. This is the daily chart of Hindustan Petroleum, all the way from the middle of 2021. You've got, that's the daily chart. So as you can see, it's a downward sloping trend line. From the 15th of November 2021, it's got 3 touch points. The first one in January of 22, April of 22, and August of 22. And after that, you've got this touch point now in December. On Friday, we've ended above this particular trend line on HPCL. Now, you can look at IOC and BPCL as well, and they will seem similar. Why are we highlighting this? Oil marketing companies have been perhaps the most unloved, the most hated sectors out there. Absolutely huge underperformers, even as other PSU parts of the market have done very well, not so much oil marketing companies. The reason I'm highlighting this is very simple. Oil, I would say inexplicably, is down very sharply, right? I mean, it's down $20 just in the last 1 month or so. And this is straightforward, a big positive for oil refiners, but more importantly for the marketing side of business as well. These companies were losing money product prices, which is diesel, petrol prices, etc., they were ruling very, very high. There has been a little bit of correction there as well. And, after 2 quarters of very bad news, it's possible that at the margin, things may be turning around. Now, the big question here really is oil needs to stay lower and needs to stay down, maybe go even lower and not see a big rebound. Because, I mean, if it starts to move higher once again, I mean, that thesis goes out of the window. So keep an eye. Let's see if this really fructifies into something. This is obviously not a recommendation, but something that at least both on charts and in terms of fundamental news flow at the margin may be starting to turn a little bit. I would say out of the 3, IOC, HP and BP, in terms of setups, HPCL perhaps is looking the best. But let's see. Of course, there is the overall market overlay as well, which is negative. So you want to keep an eye out on that as well. But something to watch out for and keep on radar. Sonia.
Okay, so keep an eye out on these stocks. But